Located in the leafy neighborhood of Jardines del Pedregal in Mexico City, Lluvia House is a contemporary private residence designed by Pérez Palacios Arquitectos Asociados. With a total area of approximately 600 square meters, the project takes advantage of its rare asset, a dense, mature garden, using it as the primary driver for spatial organization and architectural expression. From the street, the house presents itself as a solid, monolithic volume finished in a deep matte black. This restrained exterior establishes a strong sense of privacy, while also referencing the volcanic stone that defines the region's landscape. Rather than relying on transparency, the architects chose mass and subtraction as their main design tools. A series of carefully carved voids punctures the building's core, creating courtyards, light wells, and double-height spaces that organize circulation and bring natural light deep into the interior. These openings dissolve the boundary between inside and outside, allowing the garden to become an active presence throughout the house. This interplay between solid form and open space generates a calm, layered spatial experience. Views are framed rather than exposed, and movement through the house unfolds gradually, revealing moments of light, shadow, and vegetation. The architecture encourages a slower pace, inviting residents to remain aware of their surroundings. Interior spaces are arranged across 2 levels, with social areas on the ground floor extending toward terraces and garden patios. Private rooms are located above, elevated among the treetops and visually connected to the landscape below. Material choices inside remain understated, allowing light and proportion to define the atmosphere. Lluvia House demonstrates a thoughtful approach to contemporary residential design, one that balances privacy with openness, solidity with lightness, and architecture with nature. It is a home shaped not by excess, but by precision, offering a quiet yet powerful example of how design can enhance daily life through restraint and clarity.